Welcome to this calming meditation practice dedicated to embracing your postpartum body and recognizing its beauty and transformation. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and take a moment to settle into the present moment. Close your eyes and allow your body to relax. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension or judgment you may be holding towards your body. Let the breath be a source of gentle acceptance and love. As you continue to breathe deeply, become aware of the changes your body has undergone during pregnancy, childbirth, and in taking care of your child. Acknowledge that these changes are a testament to the incredible miracle of life and the love that you have brought into the world. Take a moment to reflect on the strength and resilience your body has shown throughout this transformative journey. Your body has carried life within it, nurtured and protected, and now it continues to support and provide for your precious little one. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise as you focus on your postpartum body. Allow them to be there without judgment or resistance. Simply observe these thoughts and emotions, knowing that they do not define you. Remember, your body is not meant to be the same as it was before. It has expanded, stretched, and transformed to create a safe space for new life to grow. Your body is a testament to the love and devotion you have for your child. Now bring your attention to your breath once again. As you inhale, imagine breathing in a soothing, healing light. Picture this light spreading throughout your body, gently caressing every part of you. Feel it bringing comfort and acceptance to every cell, muscle, and organ. With each exhale, release any lingering self-judgment or expectations. Let go of any pressure to fit into social standards or ideals. Your body is unique and beautiful in its own way. It carries the essence of your journey and the immeasurable love you hold for your child. Allow a deep sense of gratitude to fill your heart as you recognize the incredible gift your body has given you, the gift of your child. Your body has been a vessel of creation, a sacred temple, and a source of unconditional love. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Place your hand on your chest and feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. As you breathe, repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud. I am grateful for the miracle my body has created. I accept and embrace my postpartum body with love and compassion. I am worthy of love and care exactly as I am. Take a moment to soak in the loving energy and acceptance surrounding you. Allow it to infuse every cell of your being, healing and soothing any lingering doubts or insecurities. Remember, you are enough. You are a beautiful expression of love and life. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and take a deep breath to reawaken your body. Carry the sense of love and acceptance that you've cultivated in this practice with you as you continue your journey. Remember, you are a miracle, and your postpartum body is a testament to that miracle. Embrace the changes, embrace the love, and embrace the beauty within you. Namaste.